Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this absolutely delicious fall off the bone braised beef short ribs. All right, this is so delicious. Man, you guys just have to make this one. Everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. All right, so here I'm just seasoning the beef short ribs with all my herbs and spices. You can see that is some well seasoned meat right there. Makes you want to eat it right now. But hold on, we're not done. All right, so what I like to do is to sear my ribs on each side. So that is what I'm doing here. And it takes about 1.5 minutes for each side. And that depends on your stove and stuff. All right. So when you're done, you're going to flip just like so. Amazing. Then I remove from pot. Now the brown bits in the bottom of the pot, that is the flavor. So we do not want to wash the pot or anything like that. Please do not do that. Add a little bit of oil, lower your stove, add your onions, garlic, and ginger, celery, and carrots. Give that a good stir for about 1 minute or so. Then I go in with my tomato paste. All right, I cook that out for an additional 30 seconds. Then I add my flour. All right, and you want to cook this for like 1 minute or so. Give that a good stir, just like what I'm doing here. Then we are going to use red wine and beef stock. So first, I love to deglaze my pan with the red cooking wine. All right, you're gonna pour that in. I use 1 cup here. Then I go in with my beef stock after about 2 minutes. All right, give that a good stir. Taste and adjust, guys, to your likeness and taste. All right, I did add some more heat because I like spicy stuff. You don't have to. Then I go ahead and I add some mushrooms. That also is optional. I cover, placed in the oven 350 for about 1 hour 15 minutes. Now you know this is some fall off the bone stuff right here. Absolutely delicious and amazing. And I just can't wait for you guys to try it. All right, so if you guys are here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, drop me a comment. All right, and be kind to yourself and each other. I love you guys, and I see you all on the next video. Now go make these ribs, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.